So the final two questions on this note sheet talk about perimeter. Sorry, I'll have to move this up a little bit. There we go. Find the perimeter of the figure shown below. This is just to make sure you recall that what the word perimeter means. Perimeter is the distance around a shape. Distance around a shape. Make sure you know definitions. Vocabulary is very important to me. It says find the perimeter of the figure shown below. Write your answer as a simplified expression. When it's simplified, make sure you have no more like terms. That's what it means when it says simplified. No more like terms. So on this triangle, we have a 4x, we have a 2x, we have a 5x. Those all three just happen to be like terms. Remember, what you learned today, you're going to add coefficients. You're going to add 4, 2, and 5, and that gives you 11x. So there's one last example down on the bottom. That is a rectangle. Rectangle, perimeter, you're going to find the distance around the shape. If you don't want to write out the problem again, or let's just circle the like terms. This is 3x. There's a 3x on the other side. If we add 3x and 3x, we get 6x. On the left side, the like term with that would be 2x and 2x. So if you can't do it all together, you might need to write it out. But 3x plus 2x plus 3x plus 2x is 10x. Now, the last thing are these numbers by themselves. There's a 1, a 4, a 1, and a 4. And those are all numbers by themselves. So when you add them together, you get plus 10. These are not like terms. So remember, if they're not like terms, you cannot combine them. I'm going to add a little extra example here. Write x plus this symbol. Does you know what that symbol is? I know I'm not here for you to answer, but that is a pi symbol. You might see that in your notes or your homework. X plus pi plus 2 pi minus 7x. Now, if you see a problem like this, pi is kind of like a variable or a symbol, and you're looking for the pi's that are the same. This is pi, and this is 2 pi. So if you have a pi by itself, remember, what is the coefficient? The coefficient of pi would be 1. So if we combine all these, we get 1 pi and 2 pi would be 3 pi. And then we have 1x minus 7x, which is minus 6x. That final answer is 3 pi minus 6x. And that concludes the lesson on like terms. You will have a homework assignment to work on. Keep your notes out if this was confusing to you, and use your notes to help you get your answers correct.